Good afternoon, everyone. Wow, so many here. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Mr. Sherwin. I'm here with the POWIIS Primary Players. They are a group of primary pupils that are travelling around Penang and putting on a show all about Xiao Long Bao. Yeah, Xiao Long Bao. That's what you're going to watch today. Now, it's a bit strange because we are performing the story of Xiao Long Bao in the Blue Mansion next month. So it's a site-specific performance where... I'm going to explain site-specific performance. The show should be in the Blue Mansion. The show shouldn't be on a big theatre like this, but we're going to do it today anyway for you. Site-specific performance relates to the site. So all of the content of the show relates to the site. To explain this a bit better, I've been around your school today. Oh gosh, no, sorry. Oh, it doesn't work like that anymore. Okay, so I've been here we go. Okay, there we go. Right, so yes, I've been visiting your school and I've been creating some shows that relate to the site. So, in your canteen, I thought maybe we could have a story about a chef, an evil chef who works at your canteen, and they like making poisonous spaghetti bolognese. John, over here, John, there he is. John loves his maths. John hates the fact that the poison spag bol is going into his food and is making him worse at maths. So, he makes a campaign and tells everyone on Twitter and Facebook that they should, destroy the chef. He shouldn't be working at the school anymore. So, they have a big fat food fight. The chef is throwing bowls, hits one of the kids in the head, and the chef is sacked. What about your field? Oh, see, it's done that again. I don't know why it's done. There's the whole story. Your field. Okay, you've got a student at your school called Lionel Messi. One day, Lionel Messi has a big fall. He breaks his leg, unfortunately. His friend, supposed friend, Ronaldo, is actually an evil person. So Ronaldo keeps on pushing him down the stairs, keeps on hurting him even more, so Messi can't develop. Messi keeps on working hard, aims for his goals, and yes, in the end, he wins the World Cup when he's older, so well done, Lionel. Finally, oh gosh. Let's go back. Perfect, Mr. Hodge's office. Mr. Hodge is actually a demon deputy headmaster. So he hates all of the students in the whole school. So he's doing these mad science experiments in his office. He's sawing wood like he always does, making contraptions to do things to these students. And in the end, one day he decides to set up cameras, so like a CCTV watching all of the children all the time. They're not very happy, so they fight with Mr. Hodge. Instead of cameras, they're actually lasers. Mr. Hodge lasers all of the students and there are no more students left at the end of the day. So the story has to relate to the site. This show is not a story about a theatre in POWIIS. This story is the story of Xiao Long Bao. It's going to look amazing in the Blue Mansion. So I want you to, when you're watching this, imagine this being performed in the Blue Mansion. Okay. Oh, sorry. I forgot that one. Okay, would you all join me in giving the POWIIS Primary Players a massive round of applause?
You may have tried Xiao Long Bao before, a world-famous basket of beauty, delicious ingredients and blissfully good soup. But most of you wouldn't have heard of the origins of Xiao Long Bao. Well, there are two folk tales detailing its origin, and to this day, we don't know which one is true. We are the POWIIS Primary Players, and we're here to tell you both of the stories. We hope that you pass these stories on to help keep them alive.
I don't think you're making me end up in this rate.
Okay, welcome to our restaurant. Where are customers?
They're all passing by a lunchtime for their soup. I mean, it's desperately good soup, but I'm not making those.
What about your bread?
Not selling.
Well, I like it.
That's it, isn't it? You only like it Ready for today? As ready as I'll ever. So you remind me of the ingredients for the soup? Scallion, chicken broth, shiitake mushroom, ginger root, and gelatin. The best soup in the world, and so simple.
It was another fairly unsuccessful day at the restaurant, and Riha Shuang went home to get some rest. That night, as he slept, Riha Shuang was greeted by the dragon. The dragon whispered in the ear of Riha Shuang, "Perfection, perfection, greatness, resourcefulness, ambition."
That's it! Good God, what's wrong? My husband's crazy. See, what is it? Boil the water. Start the soup. What better idea? For those who love enormous steamed buns, those juicy morsels, so fluffy and soft, wrap around your intestines and comfort your soul. No matter how many you eat, you'll never be full. Because these steamed buns might end in your stomach, but in your heart will always remain.
What's wrong with you? I said tall. Crazy. I said tall.
Soup? What the fuck was soup and bread? The soup is delicious, but soup is red. But I love it. It's ridiculous. I could eat 1,000 more. What's ridiculous? What are you going to call it, Rikosha? How about 南酱大肉馒头? A meat filled buns on 南酱. So basic. Yeah, so boring. How about 南酱?
And so the story goes, Riha Shuang made Xiao Long Bao famous around the world. Our next story involves a man of very different origins, Emperor Xiao Long from Qing dynasty. Xiao Long traveled up and down the Yangtze River, so the locals often nicknamed him along the river, and so was given Xiao Long, or swimming dragon.
Story goes, the emperor traveled the lands and described how delicious they were. So nobody knows where Xiao Long Bao actually was came from. But all we know is that these delicious parcels delivered a really great story. Be
the POWIIS Primary Players. Thank you for watching.
Wow, thank you so much, guys. Go and sit down, Dragon. Thank you so much, guys. Can we give another really huge round of applause to the POWIIS Primary Players? So as you can see, post at back, if you want to catch them again, this is just like a run-through experience for them to, experience, to go through all the scripts and also the performance. If you want to catch them again, they're going to perform in the Blue Mansion, 4th of March, 5 o'clock. Yeah, and the tickets, we have sold 41 tickets, so there are about 50 tickets left. So we still can scan the QR code and go and purchase ticket. Okay, so thank you guys, and this is your lesson 5, so you can walk to your classroom right now and then have a lovely afternoon.